𝐼𝐞𝐥𝐝 is a Greek SME based in Athens with 3 distinct departments totaling around 130 people. WeldBOT is designed to revolutionize the ship repair and shipbuilding industry. You see, there is a big labor shortage in the market when it comes to experienced welders, and this is a problem that is getting worse by the minute. However, not many businesses satisfy the rigid requirements of traditional robotic welding systems, nor can they justify the huge upfront investment that they need. WeldBOT is a self-navigating robotic welder developed with this exact problem in mind. WeldBOT is a programming-free welding robot that can operate in agnostic environments. This actually means that there is no need for CAD designs of the weld items and close to zero overhead when it comes to setting up the system. What's more, the integrated decision support system developed by NobelCore automatically selects the optimal welding parameters depending on the situation to guarantee a high quality result every time. About the Mind4Machines project, we really appreciate the support and resources that were made available to us.
Generally, we're working with data in a domain agnostic environment. That's why we love the WeldBOT, because it's another domain that we managed to work on. Our contribution in the project focused mostly on enhancing the welding operation by assisting in process selection, ensuring quality control, optimizing resource usage, and providing valuable insights for continuously improvement. Our plans is to emphasize on what we have achieved, emphasize on the automation of the solution, and maybe together with 𝐼𝐞𝐥𝐝 and Leonidas target both research-related opportunities, but also funding from the private sector to further expand our solution. Especially, I would like to thank Mind4Machines for giving us this opportunity to apply our expertise and our AI-related expertise to such a broad domain and give us the opportunity to further expand our portfolio with domains and projects.
Kareli is one of the oldest ship repair companies in Greece, operating for more than 70 years. And our main focus are the ship repair business, where we are making general ship repairs on board vessels, ocean-going ships. For us, the main challenge right now is automation when it comes to specific welding procedures. Even though we can create manual weldings, we are not competitive when it comes to productivity and commercial reasons. Therefore, we wanted to have a result, an automated solution that could create not only very good results, but also be commercially easy for us and therefore be competitive compared with countries of the Far East, namely China, Korea, and so forth, where the labor there is very cheap. Assistance of Mind4Machines funding, we managed to be able to take our idea into action. And therefore, this enabling complete technology made us develop it together with 𝐼𝐞𝐥𝐝 and George and NobelCore in order to be able to make it actually a fruitful result. And therefore, from the level we were before, we couldn't actually have any proper welding procedure, whereas now we actually do have a result equipment machine that actually does weld and produces the result that we want. Mind4Machines has been very assisting for us, not only when it comes to guiding and mentoring, but also with financial assistance, because from our side, being a SME in Greece and we want to innovate, Mind4Machines has been very important in order to be able to accomplish our goals.